Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this lovely Range Rover Autobiography, which is a 4.4 V8 in Carpathian Grey. This car has previously had only 2 owners. As you can see, you have 22-inch diamond tone finish alloys, privacy glass keeping personal items more secure, a powered tailgate with a lot of space there in the boot, and you can also put the seats down if you do need more room. Continuing on around the car and going into the front, you have keyless entry, so if I lock the vehicle I can open it just by pulling the handle as long as the key's nearby. Illuminated Autobiography tread plates and a gorgeous leather interior. A sliding panoramic roof, which is nice to open on a sunny day or just for a bit of fresh air. But you do also have a sun blind that can be pulled all the way across if you wish. Fridge compartment, which is ideal if you're going on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Different driving modes depending on where you're driving. Comfort, grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, sand and rock crawl, or you can push it back down for auto. Heated and cooled front seats, perfect for winter and summer. And you also have the same again in the back, ensuring all passengers do have a luxury journey. And going back into the front seats, they are also massage with several different settings to choose from, which is definitely a luxury and makes each journey more relaxing. A rear view camera with a 360-degree surround camera, which makes parking and reversing so much easier, especially in a bigger car. You also have eco data, which tells you how well the car is being driven, for example if you're braking too hard. Ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, which looks cool especially in the dark. And you do also have timed climate, which can be turned on for when you're about to get into the car. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, making driving along the motorway safer and easier. A heated steering wheel, which is definitely a must on a cold winter morning. Memory seats throughout the car, which is handy if there's several people in and out all the time, and a Meridian sound system. This car's done 23,103 miles. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a stunning Range Rover Autobiography. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.